Persian saffron. Oh, did someone say Persian saffron?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now, on the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be making healthy taco salad. So there's obviously different types of ways that you can make tacos. You can make it with the bread, the soft bread and stuff. But I'm not going to be using bread. I'm going to be using salad. Although it's going to have obviously sour cream in there and some cheddar cheese, which is obviously not the best of healthy things. But it's all going to taste good and yummy. So yeah, let's just see how it goes, eh? Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. But before we go any further in this video, I need you, yes, you are watching this, you are responsible for clicking that red button. It says subscribe somewhere around this video. Click on it, make sure it says subscribed by the end of the video, okay? Also, follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. Can't speak, guys, what's going on? I'm hungry. So, here is our starter pack. We've got lettuce, avocado and cherry tomatoes. We're gonna chop up a little bit of this. I'm gonna try and make a small portion for the first time, guys. Let's see how it goes. I hope it goes according to plan because I don't want to make a lot of food. So with our lettuce, you just want to chop it up, okay? Kind of make it into small bits. You don't want any long bits like that, okay? So just dig your knife in, do what you can, and just rip it up basically with your hands. Simple, right? Easy. Looks easy so far, right? Make sure you got clean hands, all right? Stick it in the bowl. Okay. To me, that don't look enough. I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna cheat, guys. That little bit more, that's it, no more, I promise. I don't care what happens. I'm not gonna do it anymore, all right? So get that as it is. Chop it. There you are. Nice. Right, you just want small bits. You want bits to go into your fork. Pick it out. Munch away. Okay, that's that. Let's get rid of that. Moving over to, what should we do first? Avocados? Yeah, might as well. Pick your thing just like so. Spin it. Oh, well. Did you ever see that happening? No. It's not my day, is it? There you go, finally. Get rid of that. Okay. Now, you just want to scoop it out. One more. It really does work, guys. As you see it on TV, it does happen and leaves it a nice, clean, empty shell. So, before I get my hands dirty, I'm gonna do the second one and all. Right? Let's see how the second one is gonna cut. Right? Yeah, that's a lot easier. Okay, spoon, dig in, comes out. Look at that. Spoon, dig in, voila. See the difference? Okay, enough of that. Let's get rid of that. We don't need it. And now, time has come to chop these bad boys up. Okay. Chop them up into little pieces, little bits. We're gonna get some tacos, Taco Tuesdays, but today is not Tuesday. Well, for me it's not anyway. I don't know what day it is for you guys. It could be a different day. We all live different parts of the world, different timings, isn't it? Tell me in the comments below what day and what time it is that you guys are watching this video. I want to know. It should be interesting. I got clean hands, by the way, yeah? Don't look at me and be like, ugh, he's touching all the food, right? Yes, I am touching all the food, but I do have clean hands. I'm going to quickly... Avocado, in you go. Get in there, mate. Look at that, starting to get full up, isn't it? Tomatoes. Now, cherry tomatoes, just cut them down in the middle, as many as you like, whatever your preference, right? Is that enough? You guys reckon? Get it in there. Yeah, I think it'll be alright. We'll do one or two more just to satisfy the people who really do like tomatoes, especially the cherry tomatoes. Excuse me, could I have a bit of cherry tomatoes? Who's got a bit of cherry tomatoes, eh? Look at me, I did say one or two more, I ended up doing like 4 or 5 more. My God. Small portions, me and small portions do not go together, I'm telling you. Me and small portions are not friends. I'm all about big portions, alright? Get rid of that. What you need now, this is it, right? What you could do is get some cheddar cheese, which one I prefer, right? We'll leave it as that, no more. No more, I said, alright? Small portions. You hearing me? Small portions, alright? Got some sour cream and chives. Dip it all in there, mate. Get in there, mate, you know what I mean? Get your spoon out. Dig it in. Empty it all out. Chuck it in there, my son. I'm telling ya. Guys, that smells amazing. Right, I was gonna put the cheese and the sour cream at the end, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for now, and then we're gonna move over to cooking the meat. Right, in terms of next stage, you wanna get your frying pan, heat it up a little bit. As you can see, it's been going on. You want to get some lovely olive oil going on in there, alright? Stick it in there, happy days. Boy. Get rid of that. Alright, get the rest of it in there. This is about 400 or 500 grams of meat. Alright. Right. How we getting on? How we getting on? Look at this. Switching colours and all of that. Boy. That is lovely, jubbly, isn't it? Jolly good, my son. Jolly good, that's what I say. Right? Look at that. Make it change colour quickly, on the spot, on the dot. Get things going. right? Let it cook first, and then I'll add seasoning. Now what you could have done is quite simply gone to the shops and got a bit of taco seasoning. Mind you, I did go and I didn't find any. There's a lot of things you can't find nowadays, you know. It's not as easy as it used to be maybe about a year ago or whatever. But anyway, besides the point. I tried to go the easy way, couldn't find it. So what I'm gonna do is do a bit of seasoning myself. But I'm gonna add a Persian twist to it, which is adding a bit of turmeric, and I may add a bit of that gold dust, which is Persian saffron. Oh, did someone say Persian saffron? Okay, that's a bit creepy laugh, but there you go. Right, that's changed colour. All you want to do is get a bit of pinch of salt. Yes, I use a lot of salt, blah blah, who cares? Stick it in there. Right, moving over. Black pepper. Get yourself some black pepper. Go on, mate, get in there. Alright. Right. Bit of turmeric just to give it that change of colour. Not too much, right? And then bit of paprika. Go on, sir. Go on, sir. And a bit of that. And a bit of that. And a bit of that and all, mate. You know what I mean? Go on. Right. Getting carried away there. Give that a little spin. Tinkle it swinkle. Alright. Look at that, it's starting to come to life. Changing colour, smells coming out. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous it is. What do you think, eh? Is that gorgeous and all? I think so. Boy, if you're hungry, anything is gorgeous. And I bet you can tell that I am actually hungry as well. I'm always hungry. Food? Did anyone say food? I want some of that. Here's a bit of that gold stuff that I promised earlier. Come on. Bloody stuff. It's been a while since I've used it, see? So, oh, that was a lot. That was a lot in there. That's about £100 worth of saffron just gone in there, you know that? And I'm not even kidding. Anyway, better taste nice now. Right. See how it enriches, if that's even a proper word. The colour becomes so much richer. Look at that. It's glowing. You can see the colour of it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Have a little bit of that. Have a little bit of that. Wiggly, 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 wiggly. Right, I just made a mess there. Got to clean that after. So yeah, let that go on for a couple more minutes and then we should be good. Meanwhile, you just want to quickly clean up your station, alright? You don't want any mess, any dirty, none of that, alright? Happy days. Right, so what I'm going to do is get our salad out from the fridge. Okay? This food that I'm making here is basically, you know when you go to a Mexican restaurant and they bring you salad? This is very similar to that. This is basically that, but it's a meal within itself. It's not like a starter or anything like that. Right, ladies and gentlemen, do you all remember this? Right? Let's switch that off now. Give it a final stir, make sure it's not burnt or anything like that. Take that away from there. Just a little bit. You don't want it to go from cold to hot real quick. It may crack and then the whole thing is going to go Bam! Okay, our meat is cooked. Right? Now, come over here, you. Guys, let me just have a look at that. And then have a look at that. Right? In you go. Ooh, boy, let's pour it over the cheese so it helps to melt. Right? It's gonna melt. We're gonna mix it. Bada bing, bada boom. Bob is gonna be your uncle. Can you guys see that? Let me just bring that a little bit closer actually. How about now? Is that better for you lot? Can you guys see? Where? Yeah? It's all about the views, guys. Make sure you share, like, comment, but more importantly, subscribe to your boy's channel, eh? Right. Now, you just want to gently mix it without spilling anything out, or try to at least. Okay. Tell you what, let me use this as well and get this out of the way. I'll put you to a side for now, alright? You want to mix it gently, make sure nothing splatters out everywhere or whatever. I do have a second sour cream if we do need it, but let's give this a little twist and see how it goes. If it seems a bit dry in that, then obviously I'll add it on. You can also, I would say, add a little bit of lime. If you've got fresh lime juice, I reckon it'll go nice with this. Get your bowl, stick it in the middle. Lettuce, avocado, tomato. Boy, you want to fill this up. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. That is your healthy taco salad. You got your lettuce, your tomatoes, avocado, sour cream, cheddar cheese, and minced beef. Bon appetit! Make sure you share, like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come